G'day guys, you asked for these three, I've delivered these three. You actually asked for quite a few more and I couldn't keep up. But I do plan on doing all the originals at some point. So if you haven't made your Pokemon yet, I do highly recommend subscribing to the channel so you know when it has been released on things for free. Of course, as always, multi-part version, complete version. So no matter what proof you've got, you can make these right here. Shout out to Polymaker, they supplied the filament to me for free to make these, so if you haven't tried this filament yet, I do highly recommend it. But yeah, obviously, we've got a Cubone. That is pretty cute, I have to admit. I'm a pretty big fan of that one. We've got a Snorlax. And of course, we've got a Pikachu. Now the ears are meant to be lopsided. I've designed it like that. That is not a misprint. So guys, I hope you enjoy them. As always on things, free, go for it. Let me know what you want next. Cheers.